What's up, guys? It's Monday, February 17th, 5:55 a.m., and this is going to be a crypto market update. So it's going to be a big week. This will be definitely a deciding week as far as the next major move in crypto. This is going to be the week that decides if we're gonna, fall through the trap door, have another blood moment, or is this going to be a springboard for us to start the next leg up in the crypto bull market here. So to start, actually today is President's Day as well too. So it's like a holiday, but crypto still is going. It stays going 24/7, 365. And that's a blessing and a curse, let's just say. But yeah, so as you can see on the right side of the screen, we got some green on the board. If we scroll down a bit, some red as well too. It's pretty mixed. We're gonna start with, we're not gonna look at like the dollar bond. Well, actually, you know what? We are gonna look at it because we are seeing the environment get better here. So if you look on the left side of the screen, we have the 1 day chart with the 10-year yield bond. We're seeing that we broke down below that rising wedge, back up in it, and now we're breaking back down below it again. And we're seeing that TSI was getting ready to cross up and it said nope, back down, and we're below the zero line. So we might be confirming a downtrend here or some weakness in the 10-year yield bond, as well as you have the stock RSI coming up. Now it's crossing down and you're seeing the blue and the pink we're about to kiss and cross, but it said nah at the middle line, and now we're seeing the blue maintain going back up, which is solid. We want to see bond yields come down, and then we also want to see the dollar come down too. And we're on the daily chart. We are seeing a confirmed cross down right through that zero line in the TSI, stock RSI coming down blue on top, MACD printing red below this middle line in the RSI as well too. That's on a 1 day, and we broke down below this, below the upward sloping support as well. It's likely we're going to come down and retest the 1 day 200 moving averages around 105, but moral of the story is we're seeing some weakness in the dollar, which is good. That's another check mark there. Then on the right side, we see the US Russell 2000 1 day chart. We're seeing now we had a cross up above that zero line. We're right at it, and it looks like tomorrow could be a day. If we cross up hard, we're going to see a big move up because we're right in line with this 1 day 50 moving average here, which we kept getting rejected at ever since late January. So we're at this moment here, a pressure cook is building up, and we can gauge, all right, what's the most probable move here? And you're seeing the stock RSI with a W here ready to curl up hot through that middle line. And then the TSI, the MACD as well too. And then the pink is still above the blue at this moment. And the last signal was a 1 day buy now, and we're still above the 200 moving average, and we already tapped the 786. So the probabilities there are, hey, it looks like we might bust up through here, and we need to get above this 786 here to break above these highs. So that's the macro market drivers. If we go to Bitcoin, we're seeing the floor rise. Like, we can't drop too much further, and if we do and we see bodies of the candles close below those levels, it's going to be bad. So we're seeing that this is going to be the week where we see either a springboard or a trapdoor. That's for sure. And if you look here, we have the pi cycle MA in line with the purple MA on the snakes. Let me hide the EMA ribbon. Yep. So see how we tapped it once, twice. It's like sitting at around 95K flat. That is the key level we need to close candle bodies above. If you start to see a candle body close below there, it's not good. Not good. So then look at like no volume as well too. So this week we might see a influx of volume come in. And then also you're seeing a downward sloping trend line coming like this, like that. Yep. Let me go to a daily chart now. Yep. I can even connect it from here. Yep. There we go. So like we really don't have much more room for a decision to be made. So like I said, probably early the first half of the week, we're going to see a clear decision be made. And if we take a look to gauge the probabilities, I mean, we're seeing this MACD come in. We're seeing the TSI close to crossing. We're seeing the stock RSIs up at that 50 line. It's crossing down, but we could easily see this cross up like that. But we do have the blue above the pink, so we need to see this come down, that come up. So right now, it's kind of a tug of war. It's like a mix. It could go either way at this moment in time. It's just a matter of when we see the confirmation with the bodies, that's when we know. That's when we know. But for now, we're just we're stuck in the middle. So then let's look at like a 3 day chart. Yeah, we still need to turn the bus around. We have some medium time frames, like the swing trade time frames that we've seen. I mean, you got to look to the past. When you see a sell now to past times, March of 2024, December of 2023, we saw one 3 day sell now. I don't believe the top's in yet, but we're getting close. We're getting close. So that's why I do see one more move up up to maybe 147, 150, potentially even 170. And then we see sell warnings and a sell now again. That's it. That's it for Bitcoin, in my opinion, not financial advice. But yeah, we're in this stage, in my opinion, it has just been way more elongated. It's just been more drawn out. Let me pull this back up. Yeah, it's just been way more drawn out. So something like this, right? That's what I think we're doing. We're in this kind of phase right now. And that's going to bring us up to, 150, 175, like I was just saying, as far as where we could go to. So that's Bitcoin. We do have some high time frame, big signals on a lot of altcoins, some of our favorites, but I'm going to save that for another video. But it's nothing to be worried about this moment in time as far as action to be taken, because with high time frame signals, you have a couple days a week to take some action. So, and usually you'll see a bounce before ultimately the signal playing out. So no worries about those signals at this moment, but I will definitely make a detailed video on that for the VIP members in Discord and the VIP channels as far as actions we're going to be taking for some of these macro signals that were just flashing on some of our favorite coins. But I'm going to leave it off at that. I hope you guys have a good day. I don't know if you guys are working today. If you're working, have a good day at work. If you got the day off, enjoy your relaxation. And I'll see you guys in the Discord and in the next video.